Hey guys, today we are discussing about Bose-Einstein condensation, a fifth state of matter in condensed physics in statistical mechanics. Here is the definition of Bose-Einstein condensation. When the temperature of normal is below down the temperature of Bose या Bose temperature, then the particle of excited states are moving down to the ground state. Then this condition is called as the Bose-Einstein condensation. Here you can see when the normal temperature is greater than the Bose temperature, then all the particles are in the ground 1 state, ground 2 state, ground 3 state, and so on. And when the temperature is lower down to the Bose temperature, then all the particles are slowly moving down to the ground state. This condition is known as the Bose-Einstein condensation. The rapid increase in the population of ground state when temperature is lowered down than a critical temperature known as Bose temperature for a Bose-Einstein gas is known as Bose-Einstein condensation. There are three conditions for Bose-Einstein condensation. The first condition is when the normal temperature is greater than the Bose temperature. Gas is behaving naturally or in normal condition in the where the normal temperature is greater than the Bose temperature. The second condition says that when normal temperature is equal to Bose temperature, then the condensation has just started and maximum number of particles are in the excited state. Here you can see the all particles are in excited state and all particles are in ground 1 state, ground 2 state, ground 3 state as it is. Here n is equal to n naught plus ne. Total number of particle is number of particle in ground state and number of particle in excited state. As we say that T equal to TB state, when all the particles are in excited state, then n naught can be negligible and n is equal to ne. This is the condition of T is equal to TB. And the third condition, which is also known as Bose-Einstein condensation state, when T equal to 0 Kelvin or T is less than TB, almost all the particles reached in ground state, only few of them are in excited state. In the third one, T is less than TB, all the particles are moving down to the ground state. So n is equal to n naught plus ne. Ne can be neglected because all the particles are moving down to the ground state. So n is equal to n naught. This is the condition for Bose-Einstein condensation. Almost 70% of the particles from the excited state are moving down to the ground state. And in the next video, we are discussing about how this numerical value can be evaluated from the formula in the Bose-Einstein condensation. Thank you.